had no intention of building these villas. Originally, I set out to buy a piece of land for me to retire quietly, work on it, gardening, farming, but obviously the universe had a different plan. Hello, welcome to Kosha Villas. I had found many basic plots around Lonavala, but nothing was working out. For some reason, I decided to stop the car and look at the remote plot of land on the far side of a hill just outside this tiny village. No road, no access, no water, no electricity. It caught my attention. When I first stood there was nothing, just silence, a slope, and the sound of water running through the earth. Everyone said it was impossible to build here, but I was not convinced about that. Where everybody saw problems, I saw huge possibilities. I was in love with this place, and the decision was made. Oh, but I love my family. As soon as we agreed to do this project, my husband stood right beside me and supervised every single part of the construction and building process brick by brick. My son and daughter-in-law were completely involved with me in the design and the interiors. My daughter-in-law is very passionate about interiors, and my son loves to put in his color palette, the artist that he is. You should have seen my husband's face when I brought him here the second time. But honestly, I could feel something here. There was this sense of serenity and peace. I felt a deep connection to this environment. It felt calm, honest. I felt like I was grounded and rooted. I didn't want to change the land. I wanted to build something without disturbing the natural contours of the land. No cutting slopes, no cutting trees, no removing boulders. We wanted to build our villas as if they always belonged here with the nature. Yavi was quite difficult, to be honest. There was only one viable spot to build a third villa on the land. But building here would have disturbed the flow of the stream, and we were not sure what to do. That would be against the whole ethos of Kosha Villas. After a lot of thought, Shabir Bhai Unwala, my architect, came up with a lovely idea. He said, why don't we build on top of the stream, like straddling the stream with a bridge? Your living room could be just on top of the bridge, and on each side of the stream we could place the bedrooms. It will be nice. And there the decision was made, and here is what you see, Yavi. Ahilya felt kind of like a crown jewel to me. This was a view that sold me originally. From the terrace, you can see the whole of Pauna, the Tikoma Fort, the Sayadri Hill Range, the lake below. Even today, when I stand on the terrace of Ahilya, I am awestruck with the beauty of the nature. Everything about this villa is about grandeur and vastness and awe and style. We really wanted to capture the vastness of our view from every part of the villa. Kaya is so special to us. This was the villa where we really wanted to glam it up and take you somewhere else. The kids, along with the architect and a stylist, went wild with Greek Mediterranean theme and really created such beautiful, stylish home. The way the layout is also designed and the infinity pool, it really feels like all the elements of nature, the skies, the lake, the trees, the mountains, come together in one beautiful harmony. After construction, we put in massive efforts to nurture the land even more. We planted more than 1,000 trees. I actually built a Milwaukee forest alongside the villas, Yavi and Ahilya, touching the boundaries. And over the time, the land grew with us. Now the villas are fully covered with nature. There are now birds, wildflowers and native fruits which the birds love to come and eat. I never imagined we'll open this place to other. It was kind of my private home and I wasn't too ready to share it with the world. But now there is such a lovely sense of warmth. Every guest that visits us gets to appreciate the same peace and the beauty that I do. The laughter, the food, the warmth, it's heartwarming. Kosha Villa really wasn't planned the way it turned out. There's nothing manicured about its journey. We had envisioned a quiet, cozy little farmhouse, but the universe clearly had different plans. One wild idea after another from my husband, my kids, and we were inspired to create these beautiful luxury villas, as if by God's design.